Hey, what's going on guys? It's your boy AMG here and I'm back with another video for you guys. And it's been a year since IEEE have been established in our college and I am a part of it. So it just began when all this situation of pandemic started. So since then we were conducting online webinars and stuff, and today is the day when we are going to conduct our first ever offline event. So I will try to vlog few parts of that, whatever I can. And if you want to know what IEEE is, you can just go in the description and find a link to the website of IEEE. I'm not gonna go into all that stuff about what IEEE is. And so yeah, we are conducting the first ever offline event of our student branch, and which is named as Breakthrough Excellence. So I will be vlogging that. And before we get into the video, I say if you are new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel right now and hit the bell notification icon as well, so you will get notified whenever I upload something new. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video.
I should have spoken better because it was looking like as if it would be my last talk. Because I thought I'll never go back to colleges or fine. चलो सैनिटाइज कर दिया. आजकल यही क्वेश्चन हो रहा है ना. पहले एक ज़माने में ऐसे पूछते थे वजू करके आए, सैनिटाइज करके आए. Everywhere you are asking the foodie teacher. So I know people are thinking like चलो श्रीचरण नाम है, ठीक ठाक ही बात कर ले रहा है, हिंदी हैदराबाद का, उर्दू ठीक ठाक बात कर ले रहा है. हम यहाँ की है तो हम ओल्ड सिटी के ही है, इसलिए हम तो ऐसे ही बात कर सकते हैं. कितना भी IEEE इवेंट होना तो इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी नहीं आती है. अंग्रेजी में बात करो
No.
चलेगा. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को उर्दू में समझाया तो कैसा रहेगा. So first thanks the team IEEE, the student team. The first thing which I liked, they wrote a mail, and in that they wrote it's a completely student driven event, you need to extend the support. I said क्या गलती प्रोफेसर कर दी है भाई. What's the need of the society? There's a need of a professional society inside a college. People say like student chapter रहना है, fine. There was a time I was a student chair in my college days. I'm talking about decade back. It was a very funny instance. I still remember that day. With all due respect to my head of the department, who was like very good friend in those days to mine. I missed my IIT with a couple of marks. Then I'll talk more about my family and where I belong to and things. But when you're son of a teacher, you hardly have any option to tell to your father. IIT now, you are a brand by yourself. So when you are a 17-year-old, all these things look good to your ears. So हम brand बन गए. Then the next statement was very dangerous. He said like repeat करना जरूरत नहीं है, तो brand है ना, तो IIT क्या जरूरत है? You can study anywhere. चरण भैया आपको समझाएंगे. And there will come one. And someone says like आजकल A to Z में 4 ही लेटर बहुत पॉपुलर हो गए. AIML. आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, मशीन लर्निंग. ह्यूमन इंटेलिजेंस यूज नहीं करना है, आर्टिफिशियल करना है. हम नहीं सीखना है, मशीन को सिखाना है. Machine should learn, we should not learn. The very funny thing, I was like always thinking I don't belong to this place, I belong to an IIT, I just missed it. जो मेरे से कम मार्क्स आते थे क्लास में, मेरे +1 +2 में, I was like 10th zonal topper. बहुत ज़्यादा ही पढ़ ले तो था. Then later I understood it is more about पढ़ाई क्लासरूम से बाहर ज़्यादा होता है. Yes, you are too good at communication. I might be good for technical, so I'll join the technical way. That's a discussion that will happen in the society. Someone says, I have a business idea. क्या करेंगे इसका? Oh man, I don't know much about that domain, but I have my friend who knows about that domain. I'll connect him to you. But I'll ask my father to invest in your company. He has some savings. Someone says, I'm not at all good technical. Operations कुछ नहीं आएगा, but I'm a great presenter. I'm a marketing guy. I can impress people. You know, we always identify students in our class group. कि अच्छा बात कर लेता है. You know, someone whom you go with shopping and he does a good negotiation. जब Habits में तो कोटी जाके shopping कर रहे तो 500 रुपए बोल के वो बोला तो कि 50 रुपए से शुरू करता हूँ. I have my friend. He starts with 50 rupees. I was shocked. I said, कैसा पूछ रहा है? तो देख ले. And he says like, मैंने सर 300 में दे देंगे last price. तेरा नहीं मेरा 75. And he just he just walks off. And that guy runs after this fellow and says, le. Just imagine something that, the point is, we think always skills are something which are in your mark sheets. No. Professionalism doesn't mean that. Professionalism is way beyond it. He's a professional, he's a sales professional, he's a marketing professional, he's a technology professional. So the behavioral pattern, it's about reading people, which is more important. Read people. Identify your tribe. Identify your cult. I keep saying this because I grew up in this part of India, this part of Hyderabad. The talent what we have. I always had a dream when I played cricket for JNTU. I was a fast bowler. And I had this guy. I used to see in the club matches, I used to see this guy from Mehdipatnam called Siraj. And now very easy. There was a normal son of an auto driver in Hyderabad, in Mehdipatnam, and the guy was like playing with a tennis ball. There were lots of Sirajas in Hyderabad. Hundreds of Siraj who don't even eat from the morning. 5 o'clock they start playing cricket match and they stop playing cricket in the evening. एक साइकिल पे कोई इडली आके बेच दिया तो इडली 2-3 इडली खा लिया तो बस है. I used to see such people, but there are talents which go undiscovered because those talents are not encouraged by the person who is beside you. And this talent, people always seek an approval from somewhere. कोई आके बोलना तेरे पास talent है. You professional है, तो professional खिलाड़ी बन सकता है. And we always think so high about. मैं जब इंटरमीडिएट में था, मेरे वालिद साहब ने एक छोटा आल्टो कार खरीदा. आल्टो कार is like 2.5 lakh, 3 lakh से कार खरीदा. And being a height of 6'2", I was not fitting inside that very properly. थोड़ा height issue था. Then I said, and वो कार लाके and he asked us to come out of our home. Me and मेरा भाई छोटा, अम्मी बाहर आए. And immediately he started saying, we bought a car, don't become proud. I said, Alto ke liye proud? I didn't knew that. And he said like, पहले बोल रहे थे, you should be humble. ये छोटी कार के लिए आप humble की बात कर रहे हैं? ये पूरा अंदर की आवाज है, बाहर नहीं. उतना हिम्मत नहीं करते थे ना जिस दिनों में. आज हिम्मत करके बुक भी लिख दिया मैं डैड बोल के. But it's a different story. The reason why I'm saying that, उस दिन मुझे एक मैं ऐसे ही घर को आके I didn't knew that daddy was beside me, behind me. I just told Amma, no, your husband doesn't know how to buy big cars. पीछे पलट के देखा, मम्मी शॉर्ट एक्सप्रेशन था. पीछे खड़े थे. He didn't say anything to me. He said like, हाँ मेरे डैडी का बात मैं सुना था यार इसलिए ऐसा हो गया. His response was, I should have listened to my father. That's the reason I'm not able to buy big cars. And he just left from that place. And that day changed me a lot because I was a very very arrogant kid. I was thinking like an underachiever है, जो professionally नहीं है, क्या इंसान है, कुछ तो achieve करना था, कुछ नहीं करा. You know, मेरे friend का dad देखो बड़ा कार है, बड़ा बंगला है, ये देखो किराए के घर में है. Then he said like, okay fine. And lot of times ये motivational speech जैसे speech दे रहे तो you know, please study for parents. आपके parents आपको यहाँ भेज रहे हैं. प्लीज पे करके भेज रहे हैं। पीछे से एक बार ऐसे बात कर रहे तो दूसरा स्पीकर ऐसे बोल रहा था, इन माई स्टार्टिंग डेज इन 50, प्लीज स्टडी फॉर योर पेरेंट्स। पीछे से एक ऐसा आवाज दिया, फी रियम्बर्समेंट। बेचारा स्पीकर को बोलना हाँ बोलूं, बेचारा साइलेंट हो गया। जब मेरा चांस आ गया था, मैं ये स्टोरी रिमेम्बर करके मैं बोला कि I said like, don't study for you, but study for the next generation so that they don't blame you again.
I see.
Tell me something about your education.
My education. Yeah. So I finished my schooling when I was in 10th class. And then I don't know how I survived to get a degree. That's it.
Sorry. Okay. Tell me something about your life.
Oh, my life. Nothing much. You tell about yourself.
Okay. It was nice talking to you. Please leave.
What?
Please leave.
Ma'am, can I join from home?
Go.
That's very rude of you. So let's start the activity.
So, mock interview. This person could be you. So, to encourage you with the activity we have conducted, listen, think, and express. So, let's get started. And we'll give you a time limit to discuss for the topic. So, the time limit will be given 2 minutes. That's wrong. You can't repeat the points. And third point is self-introduction followed by brief introduction of a topic, content and proper conclusion without any abrupt ending to get a point. So, if you are saying something, you should not end with the abrupt ending. And
Hello, good afternoon to everyone. My name is Altaf Sher and I am from CSE department. Third year currently pursuing BTech degree. And now my topic is artificial intelligence versus human intelligence. First of all, we need to know about what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a branch of data science that focuses on building smart machines capable of performing wide range of tasks which human can perform.
How AI can take over human work, it is strongly possible that there might be a scenario where AI takes over whole of humanity's how labor work occurs, and most public figures such as
So yeah guys, we have successfully conducted the event and it was a lot of fun organizing it. So yeah guys, it's taking a bit longer because I'm busy and stuff, and as well as I'm editing the video, so it's been a week till now. The video will be out soon. I hope you subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video which I'm editing right now. And that's it. Subscribe to my channel if you're new and stay tuned for more updates. Until the next time, peace out.